Anna. Welcome everyone to the Plava, the annual recital 2021 with the Koros Churus Destination for Arts. I would like to welcome our founder and guru Swati Lakshmanan, Ketki and Reshma.
We are here today, meeting in person after a year. Can you believe it? It's been one long year since the lockdown started for the pandemic. Also after a year of pausing in-person classes of Koros Churus.
While the last year has been hard on so many counts, I feel that there are many bright spots too. Coming to our own community, we feel proud of how far we've come through our online sessions and the virtual companionship we built and the different steps and items we learned along the way. The performances for Vidyaramba and the Margazi festival were among our key highlights.
Well, it's amazing that we have gathered here today to perform in the virtual annual celebration of Koros Churus. It would be great to go around the room and have each of us share our journey of last year and also the highlights of our time as part of this community. As a catalyst in bringing us and holding us together, we will begin with our guru, Swati Lakshmanan.
Today is definitely very special. Last March 2020, I don't think any of us would have thought we were not going to meet like in person for this long. I always thought, okay, it's gonna end now, it's gonna end now, it's gonna end. And it's like another March has come and like we're still like not meeting in person, and I think this is the first time we're meeting in person after the year at all. So this is pretty amazing to me.
With all the extra time I got to myself in this pandemic, I started thinking very deeply about my personal growth. And I came to realize that getting back to classical dancing was one of my growth levers. It constantly challenged and motivated me and had a very meditative effect on me. I'm grateful to be part of this community for Swati's guidance and the sisterhood of other dancers.
As for me, the past year has been such a tremendous opportunity to introspect on a lot of things and be thankful. And out of that, Bharatanatyam lessons were definitely one of them. And practicing and learning new steps on a weekly basis, it not only taught me like a good sense of discipline and it provided me with a sense of accomplishment as well. So whether I had a good day or a bad day, I could always count on dance lessons to make me feel better.
When I look back at last year, I just feel a profound sense of gratitude for my health, my job, my friends and family. But I would definitely say that the dance lessons has been one of the key highlights of my week. The time that I got to spend with everyone, learn new steps, and I realized that it actually also helped me stay fit. It motivated me to stay on top of my game, and I felt that every time I learned a new step, I was actually growing in some or other way.
I can share that when the pandemic started, I started thinking very deeply about my own growth. And what I came to realize over time was that this was one of the levers in helping me grow. It kept me sane, it kept me fit. And I think it's been an amazing journey with Swati's leadership and the sisterhood of other dancers.
Yeah, definitely. When the lockdown started back in 2020 March, I remember the date, it's 16th March. That was a Monday. I was heading to a private lesson to my students' place, and then the news popped up, and that's the last I met my students. And then like the previous weekend, the Saturday, I met you guys at the studio, and that was it. And we never thought that that was going to be it for like one long year, and wow. And today it's very special because I'm meeting you all in person basically, like after I thought it would never happen. Yeah. And definitely seeing some lights in the future. Let's hope for the best. Yeah. Let's keep discussing as we watch some beautiful performances.
Yeah, sure.
My name is Sunny Sharma Navar. I'm 6 years old. The Malawi song, the composer is Sri Madangan B. Kannan and the choreographer is Natyacharya Sri B.P. Dhananjayan. Hi, I'm Adya Iyer. Malari means wrestling with the god. Malari is a musical composition played in the beginning of a procession.
di tum nam nam tum di ta ta kita ta 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 di 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 tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom dingina tom gina tom ta di tum nam nam tum di ta takita taka ta 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 di 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 tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom gina tom ta di tum nam nam tum di ta takita taka ta ta di 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 tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom gina tom ta di tum nam nam tum di ta takita taka ta 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 di 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 tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di di tum tum nam ta dingina tom gina tom ta di tum nam nam tum di ta takita taka ta 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 di 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 tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di di tum tum ta dingina tom gina tom ta di tum nam nam tum di ta takita taka ta 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 di 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 tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom gina tom ta di tum nam nam tum di ta takita taka ta 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 di 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 tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom gina tom ta dingina tom gina tom ta dingina tom ta angikam bhuvanam yasya vachikam sarva vamayam chandra tarade tam numa satvikam shivam
tam 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 tankitadaga tattodanga takkutam dhim 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 dhinkitadaga dhittodanga dhikkuttai tam 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 tankitadaga tattodanga takkutam dhim 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 dhinkitadaga dhittodanga dhikkuttai tam 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 tankitadaga tattodanga takkutam dhim 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 dhinkitadaga dhittodanga dhikkuttai tam 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 tankitadaga tattodanga takkutam dhim 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 dhinkitadaga dhittodanga dhikkuttai tam 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 tankitadaga tattodanga takkutam dhim 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 dhinkitadaga dhittodanga dhikkuttai tam 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 tankitadaga tattodanga takkutai തത്തോടകതാം തം തം ധം ധം ധിം 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 തകതോടങ്ക തക്കുത്താത്തൈ തത്തോടകതാം തം തം ധം ധം ധിം 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 തകതോടങ്ക തക്കുത്താത്തൈ ദിദ്ദിദ്ദിദ്ദിത്തൈ ധികിതക ധീതോ ഹസ്തംഗ ധികിതക ധീതോ ഹസ്തംഗ ധീതോ ഹസ്തംഗ ദഗദോംഗ ദിദ്ദിദ്ദിദ്ദിത്തൈ ധികിതക ധീതോ ഹസ്തംഗ ധികിതക ധീതോ ഹസ്തംഗ ധീതോ ഹസ്തംഗ ദഗദോംഗ കുത്തക്കിട്ട കിണ്ണത്തൊങ്ക തോതോടകതാം തോം തീം തോതിക്കുത്തക്ക തോതോടകതാം തോം തീം തം താം ദിം 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 തത്തോടങ്ക തക്കുത്താത്തൈ മൂഷിക വാഹന മോദക ഹസ്ത ചാമര കർണ വിളംബിതസൂത്ര വാമന രൂപ മഹേശ്വര പുത്ര വിഘ്നവിനായക പാദ നമസ്തേ പാദ നമസ്തേ പാദ നമസ്തേ ധിക്കുത്താം ധിക്കുത്താം ധിക്കുത്തരിതത്താം കുതകിട്ടകിണ്ണ തൊങ്ക തോതോടകതാം തോതോടകതാം തോം മൂഷിക വാഹന മോദക ഹസ്ത ചാമര കർണ വിളംബിത സൂത്ര മൂഷിക വാഹന മോദക ഹസ്ത ചാമര കർണ വിളംബിത സൂത്ര ധിക്കുത്താം ധിക്കുത്താം ധിക്കുത്തരിതത്താം കുതകിട്ട കിണ്ണ തൊങ്ക തോതോടകതാം തോതോടകതാം തോം വാമന രൂപ മഹേശ്വര പുത്ര വിഘ്ന വിനായക പാദ നമസ്തേ വാമന രൂപ മഹേശ്വര പുത്ര വിഘ്ന വിനായക പാദ നമസ്തേ പാദ നമസ്തേ പാദ നമസ്തേ നമസ്തേ
Ragam Malayamarutam, Thalam Adi. Music composer Sri K. Hariprasad. Dance choreography Guru Srimati Swati Lakshmanan. Pushpanjali is an invocatory dance that is performed at dance recitals. Pushpam means flowers. Anjali means salutation. So Pushpanjali is offering of flowers in salutation to Lord Nataraja.
Tam tam
tam tam tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tadimi dagita dagajam tajam dajanu dagita dagajam tadim 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 tadimi dagita dagajam tajam dajanu dagita dagajam tadimi dagita dagajam tajam dajanu dagita dagajam tadim tadimi dagita dagajam tajam dajanu dagita dagajam tadim dajanu dagita dagajam tajam tadimi dagita dagajam tadim tadim gita dum tam tam 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 tajanu tam tam tadimi tam 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 takita tam takita dim tam takita jam
Seeing these performances makes me think of all the hard work and dedication that has gone behind this. They were amazing. I'd love to also share what we felt back in 2020 when this had just started, and I can start with how I felt. I somehow managed to gather the courage and motivation to get back to this dance after over a decade, and I attended 5 classes in person before it went virtual, and it was disappointing that it happened so soon. The lockdown has lasted much longer than any of us expected, but instead of that disappointing increasing, I've actually my interest and admiration for this dance has grown, and I've realized that I want to stay committed to it irrespective of the medium. Reshma, do you want to share something?
Well, for me, it was about actually coming back to Bharatanatyam, because I started out learning when I was in the 4th grade, and I lacked the patience to learn them.
Wow.
And my family kept moving around a lot, so I could never like focus on doing that. And even during college, the classes were really far away and I could never get back to it. So 2020 was like a year that I thought I would get back to it eventually, and it was an honest effort to see if this was something I truly enjoyed, because that was the only regret since then that I had. I was like, okay. And it was a little discouraging to hear people and a lot of teachers say that, okay, you know, this is an art form better learned that when you were younger. And Swati Akka did not do that with me, and she welcomed me with open arms, and I was like, okay, so this is something that I should try and definitely see. So classes started out in person in a studio, and it was great for about 2 months, and then things quickly turned to virtual, and I was so skeptical. I was like, okay, in person I don't know if I can do this, and virtually I just see that the team did not get deterred no matter what happened, and I think that motivated me to keep going.
My experience is actually very similar to both of you, because as a kid I always wanted to learn dancing. I loved dancing, but I never had the opportunity to train with a guru. So when I came to San Francisco and I got the chance to train with Swati, and luckily I had a year with Swati before it all shifted to the virtual space, but I was still very skeptical that I could actually continue. I was telling Swati that the day the virtual lessons were to start, at 9:25 is when I decided that I'll just try it out. I was almost going to give it up, but I'm so glad I actually went ahead with that. And there are challenges along the way. I have a tiny apartment. I have to be very careful in how I put my steps down. But the very fact that we have been super undeterred, we show up every single time. It just gives me so much motivation to keep going with this. And I feel that if we are persistent, if we are creative, we can actually make anything happen. What we are seeing today here with our performances is a real testament to that.
It's very true, like all of you said. Neither I thought this is like a doable thing to teach something online, and especially something like dance and music. I have always thought it's very hard to teach online. I had only 2 students online before we went completely online, and when those were learning from me from 2016. And then when this all happened, am I not going to do that anymore was the first question that came into my mind. And now it's when the march happened, we started figuring out very, very quick what's going to come up next. And the instinct was very, very cool though. And every one of your support actually kept me up also, to get up on a Saturday morning and then sit in a class every day, from kids to adults, everybody who wanted to dance. I also enrolled new students. That was very surprising to me itself. I was like, how did I get the courage to do that? So that's pretty amazing. That's something unexpected happened in 2020, I would say.
Can't agree more.
Yeah, let's watch a few more performances.
Ta te te yum ta tam kita ta ka ta te te yum ta tam kita ta ka tam te tam kita ta ka te ta te kita ta ka tam te tam kita ta ka te ta te kita ta ka tam te ta te ta te 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 tam te tam kita ta ka te ta te kita ta ka tam te tam kita ta ka te ta te kita ta ka tam te ta te ta te 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 tam te ta te tadai dum tadai 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 tadai dum dum kita takadai ta dai kita takadum dum kita takadai ta dai kita takadum ta dai tadai dum 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 ta dai tadai ta ha chum kari ta jam kari check kari dei ta thinking na tum ta ka ta thinking na tum ta ka tik ta thinking na tum tong dhalang ku ta ka ta thinking na tum ta dei yum ta tong.
My name is Emma Selvin. I will be performing Toreya Mangalam. Toreya Mangalam is an auspicious beginning performed at the start of a recital. As a musical composition, each Toreya Mangalam is a set of songs composed by saints. The songs in Toreya Mangalam are usually sung in praise of Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, and Lord Vishnu in Raga Malika. The music composer is Saint Purandara Dasa, and the dance choreographer is Kale Mamani Sri K. Mohanan. The talam is Talamalika.
गणनाथाय धीमहि उमाशंभो कृपापूर्ण कुमाराग्रजते नमः. जणु तकदिमि जणु तकदिमि जगणक जणुतां तद्दीं तकदीं जणु तकदिमि जणु तकदिमि जगणक जणुतां तद्दीं तकदीं 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 जणु तकदिमि जगणक जणुतां जगणक तत्रिकिट जगणक तरिकिट गम गम जगणक तत्रिकिट जगणक तरिकिट गम गम కుజనకు తగ తగ జుడు తగ దిమి తగ దిన తా కుజేకు తగ జేకు జనకు తగ తగ జుడు తగ దిమి తగ దిన తా కుజేకు తగ జేకు జనకు తగ తగ జుడు తగ దిమి తగ దిన తా జను జను తా దిమి దిమి తా జను జను జయ జానకి కాంత జయ సాధు జన వినుత జయ తో మహిమానంత జయ భాగ్యవంత జయ 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 జానకి కాంత జయ సాధు జన వినుత జయ తో మహిమానంత జయ భాగ్యవంత జయ 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 జానకి కాంత జయ సాధు జన వినుత జయ తో మహిమానంత జయ భాగ్యవంత జయ జయ దుగుడు తక దుగుడు తక తక 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 దళంగు తదికిట తం జం తదిత్త జక తదిత్త జన్న జన్నత్త కుంద దిత్త తదింగిಣ್ಣ తం తదింగిಣ್ణ తం తదింగిಣ್ణ తం దశరథాత్మజ వీర దశకంఠ సంఘాత దశరథాత్మజ వీర దశకంఠ సంఘాత పశుపతీశ్వర మిత్ర పావన చరిత్ర దశరథాత్మజ వీర దశకంఠ సంఘాత పశుపతీశ్వర మిత్ర పావన చరిత్ర కుసుమ బాణ స్వరూప కుశల కీర్తి కలాప అసమ సాహస శీక్ష అంబుజగళాక్ష కుసుమ బాణ స్వరూప కుశల కీర్తి కలాప సమ సాహస శీక్ష అంబుజగళాక్ష దశరథాత్మజ వీర దశకంఠ సంహార పశుపతీశ్వర మిత్ర పావన చరిత్ర కుసుమ బాణ స్వరూప కుశల కీర్తి కలాప అసమ సాహస శీక్ష అంబుజగళాక్ష దుగుడు తక తక దుగుడు తక దుగుడు తక దుగుడు తక తక దుగుడు తక దుగుడు తక దుగుడు తక తక దుగుడు తక దుగుడు తక దళంగు తక తదికిట తం తజ్జం తకుందరికిట తక తక జం తకుందరికిట తక తక తదికిట తం తక తదికిట తం తక తదికిట తం సమగాన విలోల సాధు జన పరిపాల కామితార్థ ప్రదాత కీర్తి సంజాత సమగాన విలోల సాధు జన పరిపాల కామితార్థ ప్రదాత కీర్తి సంజాత సమగాన విలోల సాధు జన పరిపాల కామితార్థ ప్రదాత కీర్తి సంజాత సోమ సూర్య ప్రకాశ సకల లోకాధీశ శ్రీమక రఘువీర సింధు గంభీర సోమ సూర్య ప్రకాశ సకల లోకాధీశ శ్రీమక రఘువీర సింధు గంభీర సమగాన విలోల సాధు జన పరిపాల కామితార్థ ప్రదాత కీర్తి సంజాత సోమ సూర్య ప్రకాశ सकल लोकाधीश श्रीमका रघुवीर सिंधु गंभीर दुगुर्तक 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 तड़म गुतक तदिकिटतो तरिकु तणकु जम तत्किणकु जम तत्किणकु जम तरिकु तणकु दणकु जनकु जनकु गुंडरि करदक तरिडदम सकल शास्त्र विचार शरण जन मंदार सकल शास्त्र विचार शरण जन मंदार विकसितांबुज वदन विश्वमय सदन विकसितांबुज वदन विश्वमय सदन सुकृत मोक्षाधीश साकेत पुरवास भक्तवत्सल रामा पुरंदर विठ्ठल सुकृत मोक्षाधीश साकेत पुरवास भक्तवत्सल रामा पुरंदर विठ्ठल भक्तवत्सल रामा पुरंदर विठ्ठल सकल शास्त्र विचार चरण जन मंदार विकसितांबुज वदन विश्वमय सदन सुकृत मोक्षाधीश साकेत पुरवास भक्तवत्सल रामा पुरंदर विठ्ठल भक्तवत्सल रामा पुरंदर विठ्ठल तदि दिंदि तकत दिंदि तकत दिंदि तकत कत दिंदि तकते दिंदि तकते दिंदि तक दरिकु दणकु दणकु जनकु जनकु गुंतरि करदक तरिडदम दरिकु दणकु जनकु गुंतरि करदक तरिडदम दरिकु दणकु जनकु गुंतरि करदक तरिडदम करदक तरिडदम करदक तरिडदम भक्तवत्सल रामा पुरंदर विठ्ठल
This song is in Ragam Hamsadwani, Talam Adi, composed by Gangai Muthu Nattuvanar and choreographed by Sri Adya K. Lakshman.
विधि हरि सेवितं
Experience has been like balancing work, life, and then the dancing lessons as well. So for me, frankly speaking, it's been definitely a challenge, especially the practices, because weekends are fine, you'll make time for the lessons, but practices has been tough. But what I try to do is I'm a morning person, so I try to get up in the morning, like do 30 minutes of practice. Some days it's just the warm-ups themselves, and I realize that even that just puts me in a good place to get ready for the Saturday lessons. So what's been it for you, Reshma?
Definitely really hard in the beginning, just balancing a lot, and I think since there was no such thing as a set commute or a set 9 to 5 I'm working or I'm doing this, it was more about responsibility and the consciousness of how you divide your time and what you want to allot each amount of period of time to and to do what exactly. So with class, I think what mostly kept me coming back and kept me on my toes was just the energy and the atmosphere of the class every Saturday. Even though it was virtual, I felt very little had changed from our time in the studio. So it was more about making time and just to bring my share to the table at the point of that. So it was just more about allotting myself for about even 30 minutes, holding yourself accountable and just getting it out of the way so that Saturday is not as hard as it's supposed to be.
That's true, that's very true. Oh yes, and it was not an easy time at all, and not very well motivated as myself, I would say. So to hold a class for 1 hour, I have to practice all through the week. Otherwise the class would get boring. I cannot just keep teaching the same adavas, same items. They cannot keep doing the same warm-ups every class. Especially with kids, they learn very fast and they get very bored very fast too. So I have to interest them with every class, and then I have to maintain the standards, I have to maintain that, and then I have to practice for myself. That never happened until some time. Then I had to gather those motivations from you guys, basically. You are so determined to come back to the classes and then do stuff, and then watching you guys do it, I still feel we are missing a lot from what I would have done in the studio or in-person warm-ups or things. Definitely we are not doing all those. We did a lot of creative things in studio back then. But then even now I'm I would just make up some warm-ups that would do something with the yoga, body conditioning for me as well, as long as I was dancing, and then it was fun. It turned out really fun.
Yeah, I just want to say, speaking of warm-ups, I used to have nightmares with the Aramandi Murumandi.
Swati makes us do it twice. I cannot do it after the first time. And this is a joke, and then I try to see if others are doing it, and they are, so then I have to do it too.
And then there's this one part where it's Aramandi jump, Murumandi jump, and then that happens for another couple of times. And then by the time I'm looking, I was okay, class is over. It's 8 minutes in. I'm like, why am I doing this? Why is this happening to me?
But I was telling Naina this yesterday when I was practicing. I tried doing it without the warm-up and it's so much harder.
Yeah.
In the class you feel like, why do I have to do these adubus every time?
Yeah.
And why can't I just get to the item? It's just not that easy. Your body is just not opened up.
Yeah.
That's very true. Yeah, even back when we were learning, we never liked adavus. We were always like, okay, doing wala repose, Jatishwar, I can do it. Only because we were able to do it because of those adavus that I realized very, very late.
Yeah.
Right? After I was in my teenage or something, I used to like cut my earlier classes, like if the whole class starts at 4 o'clock, I would just go like 4:45ish, then like join for the other items, and then like I never was able to keep up, and I was like, okay, why am I not doing it? Why is my knuckle number not straight? Why is my elbows not up? And that's when I realized, okay, warm-ups, we need warm-ups. So the adavus are the warm-ups, right?
Yeah.
And all the students, kids, you guys, and then like nowhere you guys gave me up. You were like so actually pushing me to be more be a teacher in this pandemic. Definitely. Let's watch more performance as we discuss.
Namaste, I'm Ketki.
I'm Olivia.
And we are performing Raga Malika Jatiswaram on Misra Chapu Talam, composed by Tanjore Quartets, choreographed by Sri Rukmani Devi.
A Jatiswaram is a pure dance presentation devoid of any abhinaya, in which intricate sequences are fused with repetitive musical notes. The dance deals with the execution of adavas and mudras combined in definite groups. Jatis are executed combining swara passages, in particular raga and tala.
Sa ni sa tri sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa tri sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa tri sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni.
Thalang kutaka tikutaka tikita tum tat dinam takunta tikita taka taka dinam takunta tikita taka thalang kutat titta kertaka kertum kertaka kertum kertaka kertum dalang kutat titta kertaka kertum kertaka kertum kertaka kertum dalang kutat titta kertaka kertum kertaka kertum kertaka kertum
sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni sa ni sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni ga ni ri ni da ma da ni da pa ma ga ri ga ma ba da ba pa sa ni ri sa ma ga ri sa pa da ba ri ri da ba da ma ga ri ga ma ba da ba da ni sa ri sa ni da ba da ni da ba ma ga sa ri sa ni sa da ni sa ni da ni ba ma ba ga ma ri sa ni sa ri ma ba ma ba ri sa ri sa ni sa da ni sa ni da ni ba ma ba ga ma ri sa ni sa ri ma ba ma ba ri sa ri ma ri sa ri sa ni sa da ni sa ri sa ni da ni ba ma ri sa ri ma ba ri ni sa ri sa ni da ba da ni da ba ma ga ma ba da ni ga ri sa ni da ni ri ni da ma ga ma ga ri sa ri ga ma da ni ga ri sa ni da ni ri ni da ma ga ri sa ri ga ma da ni da ri ga ri ni da ni da ma da ni ri sa ni da ma ga ri sa ri ga ma da ni da ni sa ri sa ni da ba da ni da ba ma ga ma ba da ni da ni sa ri sa ni da ba da ni da ba ma ga ma ba da ni ni sa ri ni da ni sa ni da ba ri ma pa ni da ma pa da ma ga ri ba ma pa ni sa ri ni da ni sa ni da ba ri ma pa ni da ma pa da ma ga ri ba ma pa ri ma ga ri ma pa ni sa ri ni sa ri ni da ba ma ga ri sa ri ma pa ni sa ni sa ri sa ni da ba da ni da ba ma ga ma ba da ni sa ni sa ri sa ni da ba da ni da ba ma ga ma ba da ni sa da ba ma ga ma ba da ni sa sa da ba ma ga ma ba da ni sa ma ba da ni sa ma ba da ni sa.
Now I will be performing a Muthuswami Dikshitar Kriti, Shri Saraswati Namostute, an enriched Bhava item in praise of the goddess of knowledge. The ragam is Arabi and the talam is Rupaka talam. The music composer is Shri Muthuswami Dikshitar and the dance choreographer is Shri K. Mohanan.
Sri Saraswati Namostute Varade 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 Sri Saraswati Namostute Sri Saraswati Namostute Paradevare Srivadi Gauri Padi Guru Guha Vinude Vidi Yuvade Sri Saraswati Namostute Paradevare Srivadi Gauri Padi Guru Guha Vinude Vidi Yuvade Sri Saraswati Namostute
I'd love to talk about what the pros and cons of learning and performing virtually have been. I can share that for me personally, the pro is that it's a blessing that we are equipped and we are able to dedicate 2 hours on Zoom every weekend. That's a lot to be thankful for, just that itself. You speak to or interact even through dancing with others who are also in the same journey with you, which is a sense of community, which is very important now. I think the downside is that you don't get to dance with others. If I think of today, I'm very happy. This was a great idea, this annual day. But I do remember from when I used to do this earlier that the adrenaline you get from a live audience, it makes you push your boundaries beyond what you realize about yourself in your practices. Yeah, I'd love to hear what everyone else thinks.
So yeah, meeting at least virtually from wherever we are is definitely a pro, and it has opened up to not just being in SF or like being in Bay Area, being in US. It has opened up a lot of people from other countries as well to like enroll for a lot of people. Like communication has built, and thanks to those technologies, right? I have tried a lot of virtual learning platforms like video call platforms like FaceTime, Google Duo, Zoom, GoToMeeting. So since 2016, I have a history of what all apps I have tried and what all apps I have failed. And then I don't think it's offensive to mention when I hit the stick and say the word, both won't be audible for the student. So FaceTime was the only thing that was helping me with. So FaceTime was really good with it. And then Google Duo. So Google Duo is I'm not marketing for any of those, just to be sure. But yeah, so I was like, okay, but I was not sure if we were able to do group lessons in those mediums though. And then this lockdown happened, and then like the Zoom was really, really great, helping us in every possible way. Like I was seriously amazed at the growth that they showed during this time. And then it was very helpful that we were able to record videos, send to the students, and like keep track of them practicing it. And then like as a teacher, I have a record of who was watching the video, how many times. We didn't know that. This is good to know. But yeah, just kidding. I never keep track of that. But yeah, so then the downside, I don't think much of a downside except for meeting in person. Of course, the lessons would have been very, very faster, than expected, with the pace that we were learning back in 2020, but that's okay. Learning slower is good too. And another interesting thing was I was able to resume my lessons with my guru from India. He never gets time to teach online. And then when we asked for like online classes, and he always have said, oh, I don't have time. He was like, and then I asked him again when the pandemic started around March or April I guess. And then he was like, oh, okay, I have some time in my evening. That was our 5:30 a.m. We would go, I gathered like 2 other people. Then like we would go for the classes. It was so much fun with him. He would make us do like from Adavis warm-ups, much more than I give it to you guys. and then he started slowly with Alaripu, Jatishwaram, Tilana, and then he'll make us do 1 or 2 songs after that.
I get a break.
No, not really. So definitely that's like upside.
True. What about you, Rachel?
As for me, I think I was just happy that the learning hadn't stopped. Like getting back to it after such a long period of time and within such a short interval, I was like, oh no, maybe this is like, since live classes won't, like in-person classes won't be a thing anymore. So I was just happy that like I was equipped with like an internet connection and a laptop just to keep going, and like the situation didn't seem to deter anyone else. So it was a good opportunity to keep going. Whereas with performing, I think performing live, I have to agree with Kirti, would have been, it could really push you in a different level. But I think with online streaming and with like festivals like Margari and like a lot of those events, I think they've really built a community of artists all over the world. So I think that is something that I'm very thankful for, and I think that's definitely a pro of the virtual learning experience.
I think for me it has been very similar. I like that I don't have to commute, of course. I can just roll up for my dance class. But then the very fact that I can go back to all the recordings and I can actually get inspired by how other people have performed and see Swati's feedbacks and all that. So that's been like a huge thing for me, just to have those recordings available, because otherwise I just used to go home and try to write up stuff, and that never happens that way. And like you said, Reshma, that virtual performance has been amazing because you just feel like now the whole world is open to you, right? Those have all been like the good things, but I would say on the downside, already got to so I'm dreaming of the day I can have a home where I can just dance with the dancers. That's true. Other day when we were rehearsing Tilana, like the moment she started dancing a little bit higher, and then like the neighbor came in and then I was knocking. I was like, oh, so sorry, and I was like, I made you do that. Yeah, you know, it comes with it, but I've really enjoyed all of it, and this conversation has been so amazing. I'm just so glad that we all got to, you know, meet each other and then have this discussion as well. So have a great day. The Tilana in Raga Shanmukha Priya. A Tilana is usually the culminating piece in Bharatanatyam. Tilana usually combines brisk dance movements with abhinaya. Tilana has typically a pallavi, anupallavi, and some charanas. This Tilana in Shanmukha Priya has been composed by Natyacharya Sri V.P. Dhananjay. Thank you.
Deem, deem, tanana, deem, tanadirana, deem, tanadirana, deem, tridritilana, deem, deem, tanana, deem, tanadirana, deem, tanadirana, deem, tridritilana, deem. Tananadim, tanadhiranadim, tanadhiranadim, dridritilanadim, dim tananadim, tanadhiranadim, tanadhiranadim, dridritilanadim, dim tananadim, tanadhiranadim, tanadhiranadim, dridritilanadim. Tanadi
Our students, our family, and all our supporters and well-wishers in the Chorus Charis community for your support. And we hope you're enjoying the annual recital 2021 by Chorus Charis, Destination for Arts. We hope to see you again soon in person for a much bigger and grander performance. Thank you.